Hello, my dear friends. A warm welcome to all of you. If you want to speak English fluently, remember one simple rule. Don't just learn English. Practice English every day. In today's lesson, we are going to practice a very useful spoken English pattern like plus verb ing with left hand subjects. This is a pattern that native speakers use naturally in everyday conversations. When you practice it through different tenses and sentence sequences, your grammar becomes stronger, your vocabulary grows, and your speaking becomes smooth and automatic. Today's practical topics are working in the office and celebrating Diwali. These real life situations will help you use English confidently in your daily conversations. As you watch this lesson, don't be a silent viewer. Repeat every sentence aloud with energy and speak with full confidence. Every sentence you repeat is one step closer to fluency. So get ready to train your mind to think in English. Let's begin. First, working in the office. He likes working in the office because he enjoys meeting his colleagues and working as a team. He likes completing his tasks on time and learning new skills. Working in the office keeps him disciplined and productive. He used to like working in the office with his senior colleagues. He used to learn new ideas and enjoyed discussing projects with them. Last week, he liked working in the office on an important project. He completed his work successfully and received appreciation from his manager. Next month, he will like working in the office on new assignments. He will continue learning new skills, help his team, and work with confidence. He believes hard work leads to success. Second, celebrating Diwali. Lata likes celebrating Diwali because it is her favorite festival. She likes decorating her home, making rangoli, and preparing delicious sweets. She enjoys celebrating with her family. Lata used to like celebrating Diwali with her grandparents. She used to decorate her house, light diyas, and distribute sweets to friends and neighbors. Last year, Lata liked celebrating Diwali with her family. She decorated the house beautifully, prepared festive dishes, and welcomed guests with joy. Next year, Lata will like celebrating Diwali with the same excitement. She will decorate her home, prepare traditional sweets, and celebrate with her family and friends. She believes Diwali spreads happiness and togetherness. Excellent, my dear friends. You have completed another powerful spoken English practice session. Remember, fluency doesn't come from studying grammar rules for hours. It comes from speaking useful sentence patterns again and again until they become a natural habit. Every day you practice, you become faster at thinking in English, more accurate in grammar, and more confident while speaking. Small daily efforts create big results over time. So, never miss your daily practice. Listen with attention, repeat with confidence, practice with consistency, and speak without fear. Keep improving one lesson at a time, and one day you will speak English naturally, fluently, and confidently. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more practical spoken English lessons. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye.